This is example 9. It says solve these equations. The first one is 5 bracket x plus 1 minus 4 bracket x minus 2 bracket close is equal to 4. Now this is slightly different from what we have done before because of this minus here. See the minus. So let's solve the first one. 5 bracket x plus 1 minus 4 bracket x minus 2 is equal to 4. Like I said before, open up the bracket by expanding. So 5 times x is 5x. 5 times plus 1 is plus 5. Now what is minus 4 times x? Take note of something. It is not 4 times x, but minus 4. So you have to use this negative sign with the 4 to multiply every term in this bracket. Take note. Don't go and do 4 times x giving you plus 4x. This will be completely wrong. You don't want to start crying when you realize that your workings were wrong. So be very, very sure. Now, minus 4 times x is minus 4x. Now, this is even more important than this first one. Minus 4 times minus 2. Watch this now. Minus 4 times minus 2 is not minus 8. Is what? Plus 8. Because minus times minus is plus. So minus 4 times minus 2 here is plus 8. And again, we have everything is equal to what? 4. What is the next thing? Rearrange these terms by leaving the terms with the letters on the left-hand side. So that is 5x. This is minus 4x. So write minus 4x. Now it's time to move the numbers to the right-hand side. Are you ready? To move 8 to the right-hand side. Sorry. It's time to move the numbers to the right-hand side. Move 8 to the right-hand side. You will have minus 8. Remember, I changed the sign. Now move 5 to the right-hand side. What will you have? You have minus 5. Are you with me on that now? What's 5x minus 4x? It's just x, or you can say 1x. But let's just say x. That is how best to write it. Not, you can't write 1x. It's better to write x. Is that okay? Good. So we have 4 minus 8 minus 5. 4 minus 8 minus 5. Let's take it from the first one. What's 4 minus 8? 4 minus 8 is minus 4. Okay? And then what's minus 4 minus 5? That's minus 9. All right. I've explained this over and over and over, so you should know how to add and subtract numbers like this already. Okay, so we'll look at the next example shortly. Now, this second example is 6 bracket 5a plus 1, close bracket, minus 6 is equal to 3 bracket 4a plus 3. Let's expand this. What's 6 times 5a? That's 30a. And what's 6 times 1? That's plus 6. Then we have minus 6. Just leave minus 6 like that here. Okay. 3 times 4a is 12a. And 3 times plus 3 is what? Plus 9. It's time to rearrange them. But before I do that, this is 6 minus 6. Let's just clear that off first. 6 minus 6 is 0. Leave it. Take it out of the way. Out of the way. Out of the way. This is 12a plus 9. Now move the terms with the letters to the left-hand side. This will give you 30a. If you move 12a to the left-hand side, you will have minus 12a. And this is equal to what? 9. You see what I did? I changed the sign when I moved the term to the left-hand side. 30a minus 12a. What would that give you? Can you tell me that? Can you tell me that? Can you tell me that? What would that give you? That would be what? 18a. 30 minus 12 is 18. All right, so this is equal to what? 9. Now, what's the next thing you do from here? You divide both sides by the coefficient of a, which is 18. So dbs by 18, and this will be 18a over 18 is equal to 9 over what? 18. Okay, so you cancel out. 18 cancels 18. That gives you a is equal to, now 9 here, 1, 9 to 18 is what? 2. So your final answer is 1 over 2. Please don't be so enthusiastic. And at the end, because you have a is equal to 1 over 2, then you say, therefore, a is equal to 2. Please, 1 over 2 and 2 are not the same thing. Or you're going to write 2 over 1. Please. 1 over 2 is half. 2 over 1 is 2. So there's a difference between half and 2. You can even tell that. If I give you 2 loaves of bread and I give you half, you should know that 2 loaves of bread are more than just a half loaf of bread. So don't make 1 over 2 become 2. Don't change the numbers. 1 over 2 is still 2, because some people be, if you have 18 over 9 and you have 2 here, you have 1 here, it's easy to pass it off as 2, which is correct, obviously. But here, this is 9 over 18. All right. It's easy to say, okay, therefore the answer is 2. No, 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 no. It is not so. I just had to stress this so you will not end up writing the wrong thing when you have gotten the correct answer. I hope you understood what I said so far. Okay, I think I'm going to stop this video here. In the next video, we'll be looking at other examples on solving fractions with brackets. Thank you. I'll see you there. Bye-bye.